And hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm just gonna do a quick 1 serving little apple crisp. So really all you need is you need a baking dish. I'm gonna use this bread pan because I think it will fit just 1 apple the easiest. Cutting board and a spoon to cut the apple, with a little bowl to make the little mixture, like the crisp mixture. Some measuring spoons, and then I have chopped walnuts, coconut oil, oats, almond flour, and brown sugar we need. And then we're gonna do apple pie seasoning, which is cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and also nutmeg, but I don't have nutmeg right now, so I will be leaving that out. All right, let's get started. So first I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375. Next you wanna chop the apple in half, and then you just want to scoop out this middle part. Oh, okay, that's looking pretty good. You can just eat the leftover. Scoop the other side. Apples, the same apples I used for the caramel, and I'm just putting them in here, and then you're gonna let it, I don't know, there's a little cream spot, I'm just gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut this little booty, I'm gonna cut it off on this one as well, so then you can just eat the whole thing. Okay, so while we wait for the oven to preheat, actually, you know what? We're just gonna put it in the oven. Oh shoot. I forgot, you're supposed to cover it before you put it in the oven. Okay, perfect. Oh wait, am I supposed to drizzle? Oh shoot, and I think you're supposed to drizzle a little bit of people. Okay. You're supposed to drizzle a little bit of coconut oil on it as well. I'm just gonna use my hands and rub it on here. Since the coconut oil is not melted at this time, I'm basically just doing enough to cover the apple, the outside of the apple. I mean the inside of the apple. Let's get the whole apple, why not? Okay, the oven's probably just about at temperature anyway, so I coconut oiled the apples, I covered them, and I'm putting them in for 10 minutes. Okay, so while we wait, I'm going to make the topping. So first you need 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. I just use old-fashioned rolled oats. Next you need 2 tablespoons of almond flour. I believe you can use regular flour. I just bought some almond flour to give it a try. Also, if you don't have almond flour, you can just grind up some almonds. That's all it is. It's just almonds ground into a fine powder. So 2 tablespoons. Next, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon, 1/8 cup, I wonder. Or is that 2 tablespoons? Damn it. Whatever. Just wasted some brown sugar. Maybe we'll sprinkle that on top. I think 1/8 cup is 2 tablespoons actually. Okay, anyway, there we go. Next we need 1 tablespoon of walnuts, chopped walnuts. So seasoning, you need about 1/8 of a teaspoon of all these. So I'm just gonna put in a little dash for flavoring. Cardamom, ginger. And I'm just gonna do a little more cinnamon than I did the rest. I don't know. I feel like I never season enough, so we'll do a little bit more of each. Cardamom is interesting. It's got a nice smell. Okay, and then some sea salt. So I'm just doing like this pink Himalayan salt, and then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Do about this much. Supposed to be kind of a crumbly mixture, so I think I'm just gonna use my hands to mix it all up. And it says if it's not like wet, then you can just add a little bit of water. All right, I can't waste this brown sugar. I'm just gonna throw it in. All right, my usual, let's try it. That's really good. I love this seasoning. I feel like you can really taste the cardamom. It has a really, really nice flavor. And I think the almond flour really adds like the perfect amount of, it's flavor. It's more flavor than flour. Flour doesn't really have a great flavor, but because we're using almond flour, adds a little extra. I will come back when I take the apples out of the oven. Wow, those 10 minutes flew by. I'm gonna take this off. Voila! They're still pretty hard, and there's like a little juice in there. All right, I'm going to stuff the mixture in to the apples and then drizzle a little sauce on top. By sauce, I mean coconut oil, and then put it in the oven for another 20 minutes, uncovered. They're pretty much full. You can't actually fit that much topping in. Cool. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this. I just put this spoon under hot water, so hopefully it will melt this coconut oil quickly. Just melting the coconut oil. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle this. Put it on this. This thing's hot. Okay, good enough. I don't wanna wait. Now I'm gonna put it back in, uncovered, for 20 minutes. Holy moly, this looks so amazing. It was like, the apple is so soft. I put all the crumble mixture that fell to the bottom of the pan, I put it right on top. I have to try it without ice cream first. Holy moly, really good. The walnuts add such a nice flavor and a little bit of a crunch. Oh my gosh, that's so good. The apple is cooked perfectly. The flavor is unbelievable. This was so easy. I mean, all apple pies are really easy, but if you want to kind of try a new way to make it with the ice cream, it's so good. The cinnamon, and you really can't taste the coconut that much, which is nice because I didn't want it to be too coconutty. But yeah, everything about this is a freaking amazing. It's amazing. And it cooked for 30 minutes in your freaking bread dish. You can also just double the recipe if you're making it for a party and just give everybody just one little half apple. That is like a nice little portion size, and it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, wow. You'll make this once, and then you'll make it like 5 more times. I could see me making this over and over again. This is so good. I only burnt my tongue a little bit. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, and go make this little apple dessert. I'm gonna call it a baked apple. Baked apple. Baked apples? Baked apple pie? I don't know. It's not a pie. Baked apple dessert. That's what I'm gonna call it. See you next time. The walnuts, the cardamom, the soft apple. Perfect combination.